Over the past 20 years, I've been involved with the small ticket lending side of SBA. One of the needs that we recognized years ago is that there was a disconnect between the types of loans available out there and the types of businesses that most entrepreneurs were looking to start. Most banks historically aggressively marketed for those real estate secured deals, those loans to go buy that new warehouse or to build that commercial office building. However, that was leaving out a lot of businesses on Main Street. When we look at the landscape of the U.S. today, we're starting service-based businesses, and there wasn't a good financing option for that. We saw an opportunity to be able to align the loan with the actual needs of small business owners looking to start that business. So when we remove the collateral from the loan decision, it opens up more opportunities for more small business owners. From there, the other parts of credit still come into play. We're looking at a borrower's personal credit history, at their management experience. We're looking at their financial projections. By allowing loans that don't have that hard, tangible collateral, we've seen that it's really been beneficial. When you look at service-based businesses, they end up being large job creators out there in the country. Small business owners end up creating the lion's share of net new jobs year in, year out. With a service-based business, they're able to actually hire those employees at a faster rate because they're not dependent upon that location or the facility that they may outgrow. The business can kind of grow along with their following. It's a government guaranteed loan program. We're always subject to changes in the laws, changes in the program. There will always be changes, and there will always be an SBA loan program. We have to have small businesses out there on Main Street to keep this economy running. It's what keeps this country running. The business environment continues to adapt and continues to change. The reality is we lend money to businesses today that the industry didn't exist 20 years ago. There's always a constant effort to be able to catch up with the way business continues to evolve. Every brand out there was once an emerging brand. Once upon a time, nobody had any idea who Under Armour was, and nobody had ever heard of Apple. So when we're looking at emerging brands, I don't think it's something that we should ignore. One of the emerging brands today will be the next Fortune 500 company of tomorrow. That is the cornerstone of the American dream, starting that little known business and growing it to the point where it becomes a household name.